Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. In this poem, the child is sharing his experience with us about his meeting with a bird. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, "Little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?" I was going to the window to say, "How do you do?" But he shook his little tail and away he flew. New words. Bird. This is a bird. Hopping. The grasshopper is hopping in the garden. Stop. Stop the car. Tail. The tail of the monkey is very long. Different kinds of birds. There are different kinds of birds around us. Some are big and some are small. Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world.